Hi, it's Grandma Annie and Freddy here. We're paleontologists. Paleontologists are people that try to find the artifacts or the things that the animals have left behind, like their bones or their egg shells or different things like that. So we're in dinosaur land right now, but we're going to try to help these dinosaurs hatch their eggs. Do you see all their eggs laying around? We made those. I'll show you how to make those in a minute. So we have some vinegar. These are going to be fuzzy dinosaur eggs. That's going to be really fun. So we made these eggs out of baking soda and water. And there might be a dinosaur inside the egg. And then we have some vinegar. And I'm going to show you, we have this little pipette that we used to get the vinegar up like this. See, we sucked it up. Or you could use a big basting one like this that sucks it up bigger if you don't have a little pipette. But we're going to use a little pipette because they're kind of fun. And we bought 100 of them off of Amazon. So I don't know what we're ever going to do with 100, but they only cost $5 for 100. So you could use them for painting and all kinds of activities. So we're going to show you how we're going to try to hatch these dinosaur bones. So I'm going to excuse me, duck-billed dinosaur. I got to move you out of the way. Okay, here we go. Oh, and here's a little Tyrannosaurus Rex. Tyrannosaurus Rex, I know you're so mean, but I got to move you out of the way. Ah! Okay, so we're going to take this little green one, and I'm going to show you how it works. So I'm going to pipe some of this vinegar onto it. Oh, look at it, starts buzzing. Do you see that? It's really fun. And you just keep doing it until you get the dinosaur out of there. Freddy really likes this activity. I'm going to scoot this egg out of the way so we don't catch it before we're ready. We'll be able to play all day and hatch these. So we're going to keep doing this. Oh, look, it's really fun. You're going to love this activity. You'll probably play with this all day long, and it's so easy to do. So we have to just keep doing it and making it fuzz until we get the dinosaur. We rescue the dinosaur out of there. Uh-oh, it's starting to hatch. I can see it. Let's see. Watch this, Freddy. It's starting to hatch. I see him coming out of there. Oh, Freddy's getting really excited. I can see. I'm going to turn the egg around a little bit so you can see. Can you see that the dinosaur is starting to come out of there? So we have to keep doing it and making him hatch. We're helping you guys out. So this will be a fun activity. You can just keep doing this and doing this. And the inside of that egg, there's a little dinosaur in there. See him? But I want to show you how I did this. I'm going to put Freddy down a second. So all I did was I took some baking soda and some water, and I poured the baking soda into the bowl like this, and I put a little bit of food coloring in there and a little bit of water, and then I mixed it all up with my hands. Then I took a little dinosaur. Oh, I thought I brought one over here to the table, but I guess I didn't. So I guess I have to use this little guy that just came out of that egg. So I took a little dinosaur and I pressed him down. I put some of this in my hand and I put him into the middle of it like that. And then I pressed some more over the top until I made a dinosaur egg. See? And so after you make a dinosaur egg, you can let it sit for a while so it can dry. Or what I did was I poured a little baking soda down like this, and I rolled the egg in it, and it immediately makes it get drier. I rolled it around in there. See? And then it was ready to play with. So it's a fun activity for you to do when you're a paleontologist. So have fun finding dinosaurs. fuzzy dinosaurs. It's really fun. See you later. Bye. Ah!